Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2014 through 2021 ACURA MDX with a bare roof. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine tower set of 4, and then the JetStream load bars set of 2, available in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bar. And here we've cut this one down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a dedicated track that runs along the top of the bar, which allows attachment of certain accessories and carriers for a very clean method of mounting those accessories or carriers. On the underside of the bar is another track, and alongside that track are numbers which will guide you in the correct positioning of the tower on the bar, and that's referenced in the instruction manual. Now, you'll notice on the tower itself are some additional fasteners here, and those fasteners will allow for a very custom fit of the tower against the vehicle. So let's take a closer look at that. To do so, let's first remove the cover by squeezing the 3 dots on either side and pivoting that off. Now what we can do here is pull back on this hatch, and then that allows access to the fastener which holds the tower to the load bar. It also functions as a means to allow for pitch, which means you can adjust the angle of the bar in relation to the tower to get the perfect optimized fit. The other fastener here is for the toe of the pad and clip set assembly. So here you can see it clicks in 3 different positions so that will match the roof line optimally. Now on the inside you have 2 more fasteners, one which is tightened to press the clip against the door frame, and the other is to pull the clip up against the door frame. So this is a metal clip that has rubber to protect the finish on the door frame, and then here is the pad, and that is contoured to match the roof line. So included with the rack system are 4 of the clips along with 4 of the pad sets. So when it's time to tighten those fasteners up, Yakima includes a tool here, and we can demonstrate on one of the fasteners where you tighten, and once you have that completely tight, it will click, and that indicates that you've reached the correct tightness. Now we can go ahead and put the cover back into place, and with that cover in place, you can see here we have a plug. That plug can be swapped out for a Yakima SKS lock core, and that lock core will provide security for all 4 of your towers when you purchase these in a set of 4. You can also purchase these in larger sets whenever you need to also lock up other accessories and carriers that are SKS compatible. These lock cylinders, cores are sold separately in match sets. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream base roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options for this system. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching.